Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about an abbreviation called FPsc, which stands for front post single crochet. Now a single crochet is a very short stitch, so I wouldn't recommend working a front post single crochet just with single crochet stitches. As you can see in this lovely wavy swatch here, I'm working a combination of a double crochet on one row and single crochet on the next row. So let's get into it. How do you work a front post single crochet? So in this wrong side row, I am working every single stitch around the post of the previous row. And what that does is it brings up the top of the row below, the top of the stitches up to the front, creating this textured ridge effect. I think it's quite lovely. So how do you do a front post single crochet? You insert your hook between the previous stitch that you just worked and the stitch you're working from the front to the back, and then you bring the stitch back to the front between the stitch you're working and the next stitch, and you end up with the post of the stitch that you're working on your hook. Yarn over, bring that loop around, and you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go through both loops as you do with a regular single crochet, and that is your front post single crochet. Let's do that again. From the front to the back, from the back to the front, loop, bring it up, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over through 2, and again from the back, or from the front to the back, and from the back to the front, yarn over, bring up that loop, you got 2 loops, yarn over through 2, and that is a front post single crochet.